Explorers! In the previous episode, we showed you Harold's Bay and the spectacular Mossel Bay. As you know, we only have a long weekend in the garden route, and there are so many amazing things to do here. We haven't even scratched the surface. In this video, we are visiting a place very close to our hearts. Make sure you watch till the end and you will see why.
Hello explorers, and welcome to this week's episode of our garden route adventures. We are currently here at the Knysna. Unfortunately, the weather has not been on our side on this trip. We've been holding back on doing this video because we wanted to show you the awesome views Knysna has to offer. But yeah, the weather has not been great. So we're going to show you around the Knysna Heads here, and then we're going to go up to the viewpoints above the heads. Maybe we can have a better view of the Knysna Lagoon from there. So let's go up there.
Wait! Before we go up to the heads and go and see the viewpoints, I experienced some form of severe hungriness. So I think it's time for breakfast at East Head Cafe. Let's go! And I want to go and see some starfishes. Joe showed me our first starfish. But wait, there's another one.
If you guys do come here to the tidal pools at the Knysna, just watch out for the sea urchins. These things can be quite lethal. These ones here with the sticks on them, if you step on them it can be quite lethal. It's not going to be fun, I can promise you that. If you're into diving, this might be a good place to come and have a look. The Pakwita wrecked here in 1903. You can just come and have a dive here and go and have a look at the wreckage. Just look at the view! Oh, amazing! Guys, welcome to the East Head viewpoint. The view is amazing. Luckily the weather is starting to clear up for us. Oh, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So there's 3 of these viewpoints around the front here, but there's also 3 wooden decks at the back, but it's not for the faint-hearted. Unfortunately, the 3 wooden decks here at the back is not accessible by wheelchair, but at least the 3 in the front you can access with a wheelchair. Unfortunately, it's still a bit misty on the back here, but if on an open day you can see Knysna at the bottom.
This is my favorite place in Knysna to visit, and it's absolutely free. Knysna down here is a beautiful beach to visit on a clear day.
Yesterday afternoon we had nice weather and we went to the waterfront for our ice cream. So we're going to take you back in time and go show you the ice cream at the waterfront while we travel to the next attraction.
Guys, welcome to Knysna Waterfront. Let's go! The Knysna Waterfront is a vibrant hub that beacons both locals and international visitors. Imagine a picturesque blend of shops, restaurants and stunning views, all wrapped around the charming Knysna harbour. The lagoon sparkles, boats bob gently and the air carries the promise of adventure. P.S. This stall has the best soft serve ice cream in the garden route. Feast on fresh seafood and authentic African cuisine while gazing over the Knysna lagoon. Each restaurant boasts its own unique charm. Wander through boutiques offering designer clothing, exquisite jewelry and delightful souvenirs. It's a shopper's paradise. With a new state of mind, a place I never heard of. Do not miss the iconic ferry trips from the waterfront to the famous Knysna Heads. A must-do experience. So whether you are strolling, shopping or savouring seafood, the Knysna Waterfront invites you to embrace the holiday feeling. At Knysna Waterfront, there is currently a model train exhibition. It made us think back to the days when the famous Outeniqua choo-choo still made its run through the garden route, pumping steam through the forest and next to the coastline. I'm gonna let it take me to people that will trust me. I've been stuck inside my house too long, can't stand being all alone. Wasting hours on my phone, I'm ready to go now. On my way, I won't let fear hold me back, it's here to stay. So if you're in Knysna and you want something to do on a Friday evening, make sure to join the Knysna Montessori Friday night market. It is every Friday night from 4 to 8 p.m. with delicious food and you can bring your own wine. So bring a picnic blanket, there are tables here where you can sit and enjoy a Friday night out. Take a chance on reaching my shore. My heart is full of hope, I'm on my way and I won't ever stop. So here I am about to explore. I feel Knysna means so much to us because this is where we made our vows to love each other for eternity, to be each other's pillar, safe space and home, to grow old together. This is Knysna Featherbed. We got married here in February 2017, and in June 2017, the Knysna fires cut a path of devastation through Knysna. Our wedding venue burnt to ashes. But they have rebuilt, better and stronger and even more beautiful than what it was. Our advice to you is to marry your best friend. You will enjoy life even way more. Now, let's get back to the present. Guys, Leisure Isle is one of the most beautiful places to have a sunset stroll right next to the ocean. It is absolutely beautiful here. Or grab yourself a picnic basket and come and enjoy the sunsets here. So those of you who don't know, Knysna consists out of a massive lagoon with two islands in it. One is Teeson Island and one is Leisure Isle. So Teeson Island has a sandbox where you can go and view some seahorses and have a nice coffee or nice restaurants, where Leisure Isle is more chilled vibes where you can have a stroll around the island or drive around, and it's not a boomed gate. So on Leisure Island you can actually bring the kids and have a beach day right next to the lagoon. Just a tip, some accommodation in Knysna can be very expensive, so do your research properly, but it will definitely be worth it.
Okay guys, we just showed you the tip of the iceberg of what Knysna really has to offer. Book yourself a long weekend and come and visit this amazing place in the Garden Route.
Guys, live your fullest life, and thank you so much for joining us in this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye!
And in our upcoming and last Garden Route episode, we will visit the Outeniqua Mountains, but in a very unique transport method. So make sure that you are subscribed. Toodles!